again. Today we'll be unboxing a brand new Note 10 Plus which we got it from a Vodafone outlet in Fiji. So today we have a 256 Note 10 Plus. This is the Aura Glow, also known as Silver. So yeah, I'll be going ahead and unboxing this. So as you can see, this is the Aura Glow. It reflects color. So it comes with a 25 volts fast charger. It has both Type-C to Type-C connection. I'll show you further. As I mentioned, Type-C to Type-C, both sides will be Type-C connection, so it's gonna connect here, and this one will go on your phone. So this is a 25 volts fast charger. LKG tuned headsets, so this is also Type-C connections. In my next video I'll explain actually why this is a Type-C connection. Small box you will find the tool which will be used to change the tip for the S Pen. This S Pen, so it comes with two spare tips. So this is the tool which is actually used to remove this and install this new ones inside. Okay, so we got tools here. Cables Type-C to Type-C. This is for fast charger, which comes in both 25 watts. As you can see, it says super fast charging. Thanks guys, this is just an unboxing video for the Note 10 Plus. Later on during the day we'll be going on and turning this on, and I'll be further explaining you the key features and specs for this brilliant device. Thanks.